Close your eyes for a moment and picture this. Earth, the place you're standing on right now, suddenly melts. Mountains vanish, cities dissolve, and the entire planet becomes a single floating drop of water shimmering in the dark. The moon above? Just another liquid sphere tugging at Earth and raising waves the size of continents. Now imagine, if every planet in our solar system did the same, what would the universe look like? If planets were liquid? First, Earth. Not the marble of land and ocean, you know, but a perfect droplet, glistening under the sun's light. No continents, no peaks, only endless waves stretching over a curved horizon. And every time the moon passes, those waves rise higher, rolling like tsunamis that could swallow entire worlds. In the silence of space, you wouldn't hear the crash, only the deep, low hum of water in motion, rippling through the void. Now look at Mars. The red desert is gone. Instead, it's transformed into a glowing sphere of molten crimson iron. Its liquid surface glimmers like lava, slowly swirling in mesmerizing spirals, like a cosmic lava lamp suspended in blackness. If you hovered close, your reflection would distort across its surface, stretching and twisting as though the planet itself were alive and watching you. But then comes Jupiter. Normally the king of storms, but now the king of oceans. Imagine a planet-sized whirlpool, its golden and sapphire seas endlessly mixing, spinning, colliding. The Great Red Spot is no longer a storm cloud, but a massive, bottomless vortex, a cosmic drain pulling liquid into its depths. The sound would be a slow, thunderous rush, like a heartbeat that never ends. And Saturn, its beautiful rings no longer sharp and icy, but dissolving, dripping like golden rain into its glowing amber body. Saturn becomes a shimmering orb of liquid honey, rippling with every droplet that falls from the rings above. Each splash creates endless waves that travel across its glowing surface. Floating above it would feel like standing on the edge of infinity, watching liquid light breathe and flow in silence. Drift further still to Neptune. The cold giant becomes a sphere of deep indigo liquid methane, darker than the void itself. Its waves shimmer faintly, reflecting ghostly light like glassy oceans under a frozen night. Stare too long, and it feels as though Neptune stares back, hypnotic, endless, pulling you closer into its abyss. But here's where things turn haunting. If every planet was liquid, the universe would not be stable. Gravity would constantly pull and distort their shapes, stretching them into teardrops, twisting them into spinning droplets. They would merge, drip apart, evaporate into vast clouds of vapor, colliding like slow-motion oceans in the sky. The solar system would never stand still. It would be alive, shifting, restless, fluid. And yet, maybe it wouldn't be terrifying. Maybe it would be calm. Imagine drifting through a galaxy where every world is liquid light. No jagged mountains, no sharp edges, no storms, only the eternal hum of waves whispering through the emptiness. Between them, you'd float weightless, surrounded by halos of color as the sun bends its rays through each liquid orb, scattering rainbows across the dark canvas of space. It would be a cosmic aquarium, not a universe of dead rock and fire, but of moving oceans, glowing like lanterns in the dark. Beautiful, fragile, alive. So if planets were liquid, the cosmos would transform into a drifting ocean of endless beauty, unstable, unpredictable, but strangely peaceful. A galaxy-sized lullaby, singing us to sleep with the ripples of liquid worlds. Close your eyes. Listen carefully. Can you hear it? The planets, melting into waves, drifting forever. In silence,